Hello, Vettsy babes! Guess what just arrived? Our autumn box is finally here! The season isn't here yet, but the colors are. Warm caramel tones, cozy browns, rich burgundy, and all the feels of a crisp fall afternoon. We've been waiting to show you this one. So, let's open it together. Ready? Let's go. A sparkling glitter gel and rich black gel polish. These two magnetic gels are even prettier in person. A new black chrome art gel and cushion ombre gel. This pearl finish is absolutely dreamy. Wait until you see these catch the light. Teardrop blues, cool, calm, and quietly beautiful. Fun florals with a little wildcat energy. These warm golden gems bring cozy fall energy. Frame your nail art with these cool antique borders. These have both sparkly crystals and cute pearls in one pack. A handful of warm tone charms for easy nail accents. Don't want to place single gems? Just peel and stick this whole shiny cluster. Spooky season just got a lot more fun. Layer them on for that soft, shimmery depth. Lifelike little flowers that pop right off the nail. Get instant tortoiseshell patterns in seconds with these foils. Unboxing pure hollow magic here. These flakes catch every bit of room light. Snap this magnetic palette right in place for effortless, mess-free custom color blending. 2 brush tips, double the control for your designs. 4 sheets of peel and stick designs, 0 drawing skills needed. Squeeze a tiny bit on your hands after your mani. It smells so ridiculously good. Aw, this cute magnet has real pressed flowers inside, totally sticking this on my fridge. Now that you've seen everything inside the box, let's turn this box into beautiful fall nail designs. Follow along as we share easy tutorials and creative ideas using the products you just unboxed. Set 1. Golden Tortoise. Brush on foil transfer gel, then cure to ensure maximum pattern grip. Place the foil and rub well with a silicone tool to ensure the pattern sticks completely. Then, carefully peel away the foil sheet. Use tweezers to place some foil pieces randomly for dimensional shine. Finish with a top coat to lock in a brilliant, glass-like shine. Set 2. Smoky Plaid. Coat the nail evenly with cat eye gel to build a chic foundation. Hover the magnet diagonally to gather the sparkle, then cure. Press the plaid sticker firmly down, smoothing it with a silicone tool. Seal with a clear top coat and cure to unlock this timeless fall plaid mani. Set 3. Gothic Snake. Dab crimson cushion gel to create a sultry red aura base. After top coat, brush black gel on the tip and blend it up for a moody gradient. Draw curvy, snake-like lines using thick black gel for a cool 3D shape. Sprinkle reflective glitter over the wet gel lines to mimic textured snake scales. Dust off the extra glitter after curing. Set 4. Vintage Opal. Apply velvet cat eye gel to build a soft champagne gold base. Position a magnet close by to gather the shimmer into a glowing orb. After top coat and curing, buff pearl chrome for an iridescent shine. Place the gold frame charm right in the center. Inset a gem inside the metallic border to unlock an instant royal aesthetic. Seal around the frame edges and cure. That's all the inspo we've got for now. The rest is up to you. Pick a look, open the box, and make it yours. This one's ready, just waiting for you to unbox it.